Okay, so for some reason, this is the main game. There's just a random shadow here. I don't know why or where this shadow came from. I was just at my hive and suddenly it just got dark. It just slowly started getting dark here. I have no idea what happened. Okay. I can kind of see like some of my gifted bees in my diamond mask. Oh, the parkour is so... Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a shadow in here too. All the rocks are just pitch black now. What? I don't know what happened. Okay, yeah, and... Oh, there was like a shadow over here too. I don't... Okay, yeah, there is. There still is, see? It used to be over that sunflower, but now it's like... right here. And look, now it's up there. Oh, okay, well now it's all gone. Okay, that was very... Oh, never mind. I don't know what it is with these random shadows. I don't know what these are. I'm so confused. Oh, no, it's not done. Look at the ant leaderboard. You can't even see most of the names. You have to like scroll down. What? There's one right here too. Okay, Honeystorm did not fix the problem. What is happening? Okay, it seems the problem is just in these areas, like in the starter zone. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's happening anywhere else. Oh, look at the sunflower field! What is going on? Okay, yeah, it's probably just my screen because none of the other players are reacting to this severity. How am I gonna play Beeswarm with these random shadows everywhere? This is what happens when I try to go inside the field. Even the balloons are shadows. I can't see any of the tokens I'm picking up. The bubbles are shadows. The tornado's like a shadow. Why is this happening? Okay. Even the frogs are shadows. What is going on? Okay, these are normal color. How am I even gonna play the game like this? Yeah, I can't. Because I like being able to actually see. Okay, sunflower field is back to normal. Sunflower field is fine. I'm just trying to check. Okay, now bamboo's fine. Is everything fine now? Okay, I think the problem has been... It is no... Oh, yeah, there's definitely a shadow here, too. I I know Lion B was not like this dark. This isn't normal. Yeah, definitely there's a shadow. Usually there's like a secondary shadow that follows. I guess that's the only one. Nope, never mind. Look, the flowers are like all red. Why is it glowing red here? The red HQ looks horrible. What is going on? What? This is awful. Oh my gosh. And now it's gone to Spiderfield. This entire area. Wait. Since that was happening with the red HQ. Yeah, it's just spreading. I just saw it spreading across the map. I can't even see the flowers. What? Yeah, I can't play the game like this. What is going on? I don't even understand where this could be coming from. Where? I'm so confused. Okay, I'm gonna stay in the game because I want to figure out where the shadows are gonna go next. Okay, they've taken over the entirety of Bamboo Field. Even the cloud is like a gray cloud. Wait, see, look. Everything is changing colors because of these shadows. Oh, okay. Wait, it's like every time I move, the shadows go a different place. Now, it's on this person's hive. What? What is happening? Okay, and Panda Bear just looks like Tunnel Bear now. I'm so confused. The can is just completely black. You can't see any of the Event Beast faces. Okay, it's like every time I move the shadow... Yeah, now the shadow's up here. Wait. Okay, when I get closer to it, then the shadow actually appears. So from far away, you can't actually see the shadows. If it didn't tell me right there, I would have no idea what I'm buying. Because you can't even see the image on there. Can't see the sign at all. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Okay, no shadows are in here. No, I missed on my festive gift. I can't tell what a single one of his bees are. Okay, let's go looking for more shadows, I guess. It only appears when I get close to them. Okay, there's one here, shrouding Onett in darkness. Okay. I think it would be cool to see like what it would be in Dabber Bear's shop. Okay, well, there are no shadows here. I mean, there's one right there, but another one right there. I don't understand. Where is this coming from? Look, you can't even... If it didn't say Panda Bear right there, you would think you're talking to Tunnel Bear. And yet again, I had no idea what I'm buying. What is happening? This still looks really weird. Okay, we haven't checked up here yet. Ugh, pine tree looks horrible. You can't even tell it's the sticker stack. Okay, nothing good. Nothing good, nothing good. Whoa. Okay, random shadow here. Okay, I can still do the memory match, so that's okay. Okay. Well, I mean, I'm not really... I think it's cool to see what the map would be like if it were, like, all shadows. Is it just gonna take over the entire map? Shadows over there. Shadows over there. Ooh, we haven't checked up here. Yeah, Windy Beat didn't always look like that, right? There's just like a shadow right here, but that's really it. Mostly everything else is good. Nope, 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 nope. Not good. What does it look like in the coconut shop? Wait, it just turned nighttime. So is that gonna make it a difference? Oh, it looks worse. So much worse. It looks so much worse. The map is still like this. So I'm about to leave the game. And I'm gonna see if it changes. But I did have a lot of fun exploring this weird shadow thing. I wonder how hard it would be to do the Robo Challenge with this. Or just normal things like quests. With all these shadows. I'm gonna leave and rejoin, and it all should be fixed. Okay. And... Yep. Everything is back to normal. Okay. Well, I'm kind of sad it's all gone because I liked exploring it, but I already explored it all. Okay, now the shadows are starting to infect the hive hub.